Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel that is Azhar Technical Zone. In this video I am going to discuss on very most important topic and we can say content on project management. And my friends who wants to work or working in project management field as scheduling and planning and controlling engineers, this video is going to be very helpful for them. I request you all to watch this video till end without skipping the video. At the end of the video, please feel free to ask in comment box so whatever your concerns are there so I can clear it out. So I will drop my mail ID at the last section of my video. So please ask whatever you have concerns related to the planning. So friends, let's get started without any delay. So this complete video of roles and responsibilities of scheduling, planning and controlling engineer, I am going to divide these complete roles in three sections. One is scheduling, planning and controlling and invoicing. As I can say, this is going to be very helpful for new planning engineers or the engineers who are working in any kind of industry where you can understand your responsibilities. But I can tell you this may be vary 5% to 10% depending upon the working environment of an company and working condition of your company and which kind of work you are working in the organization. So this is a very most important video which I am going to explain each and every point with respect to the planning, scheduling and controlling engineer. Means what are the roles are required to become an planning engineer. So whenever you join any company, so what kind of work you are going to be done and what kind of deliveries you are going to achieve and what kind of coordination should be have with your managers or with your consultants. So in this video I am going to explain each and everything, so I request you all without any skipping, please watch this video. So as you can see here, first one is scheduling, second one is planning and controlling, and third one which I am going to discuss about the invoicing. So in next slide on the screen which you can see, we will start with scheduling. So what is scheduling? See, understanding the scope of the work of the project is will it will be very important for any scheduling engineer. This understanding this scope of the work of the assigned project means whatever the project which you are handling, the what kind of work which you are going to be done, that should be understand by referring the tendering documents and contract documents. Then understanding the pricing schedule and BOQ. BOQ means bill of quantities of the project. By this, to get this pricing schedule and BOQ, you can approach manager, your concern manager or your reporting manager, or else you can approach to the estimation department to fetch those data before preparation of the schedule. And again, preparation of the baseline schedule is also very important, and you have to prepare this schedule with all the resources and get approval from the internal management. And then when your internal management approve your schedule, then you can submit to the client for their approval. And for this approval you have to follow up continuously to get the approval. If suppose schedule is rejected for any reason, there may be a several reason. So if it is rejected, then they will reject with comments, so you can incorporate those comment by referring the CRS comment resolution sheet. There will be a one format in your company, you can get that one from your co-colleagues and get approval for the same. Then going to the second point, planning. Means what are the, being a planning engineer, what are the responsibilities will be there to execute the project. See, being a planning engineer, your first responsibility will be a preparation of the planning package. What is planning package? In planning package there are several documents which you have to prepare, like high level schedule you have to prepare, that is like level 1 or level 2. Detailed schedule you have to prepare from level 4 to level 5. PMS with calculation. PMS here nothing but progress measurement sheet. Then you have to prepare procurement register with calculation, engineering deliverable register, cash flow you have to prepare. Cash flow is nothing but the amount which you have, which you are going to be claimed for further months, that is nothing but the cash flow. And then manpower and resource histogram. Means manpower and histogram means the manpower, how many the manpower you are going to be utilized through all the project, and resources like equipment will be there, material will be there. And the last one, the DPR format. DPR means the daily progress report format. So these documents you are going to prepare, uh, being a planning engineer, to get the approval from the client. These all documents are the very most important documents, and these are the basic documents which you can help, which these documents can help you to get the exact monitoring and controlling on the project. So these documents can be asked by the client on any time for the monitoring purpose. Now moving to the controlling. What is controlling? Monitoring and controlling of all resources. What is resources? Resources like man, material and equipment. In material, uh, while controlling, as I to say it, controlling means what? Whatever you plan, now you are going with, now you are going for actual against the plan. Whatever you plan, now is the time of delivery. Okay, so this is used for tracking purpose. Tracking of RFQ, like request for quotation to vendors and suppliers of particular materials. PO tracking. PO means purchase order tracking of regular and long lead items. Long lead item means the materials which are very critical, and without these materials we are not able to do the project. And material delivery we have to track. Then after receiving the material, we are going for the MRN and GRN. Once the MRN and GRN is done, inspection is done, then we will deliver to the site for the execution of the material. And then manufacturing tracking is also very important. Means if your company is manufacturing the any products or items, and delivery to the site is also very important, which you have to track. The work should not be delayed. Motive to keep on tracking and maintaining the baseline progress. The baseline progress which is approved from the client, we have to follow that baseline, and against that baseline whatever your actual progress is there, you have to track on daily basis, weekly basis and on monthly basis. This will help you to be closely monitor and controlling the project in every stage. Now coming to the invoicing. What is invoicing? Um, Invoicing is a very integral part of the project. Now is the time to get the money whatever you have done, and whatever our salary will be receiving based on this invoicing. This progress we can the achieve progress will claim, achieve progress will claim in end of the month. Means at the end of the month we are going to claim the amount what we have done. The progress measure sheet approved format to be maintained properly to claim the progress. While claiming progress, all supported documents, signed documents from the site consultant. If your if in your project site consultant is available, so you have to get your progress approved from the consultant, or else project consultant or manager, or from the manager should be attached on that supporting documents. RFI can be attached as supporting documents. So as the supporting documents, you can use RFI. That is RFI something but request for inspection, that approved sheet is required. After preparing the invoice, take approval from the internal management and then submit to the client for approval. And the payment terms, credit in an account will be 30 to 60 days depend upon your contract. So once receive approved invoice from the client, record those approved invoice in your particular folder and forward to the accounts department for their further preparation and all. Hope you got this information. Hope you got this information very useful. If you feel very useful, I request you all to share this video with your friends. Thank you.